Guys, this is Sonny from CleverFX Investments. Today we're going to go over MACD. Before we start the lesson, we want to remind you that Forex is a risky business and you should trade with caution. And if you ever feel too frustrated trading money or just simply don't get the markets, our experts here at CleverFX Investments can trade it for you. For more information on that, visit our website at www.cleverfxinvestments.com. On to the lesson. So, what is MACD? MACD is short for moving average convergence divergence. It's a fancy name for just saying two moving averages crossing over each other. Okay, so to add our MACD, you go to oscillators, MACD. Okay, and you just click OK, and then you get this line. Okay, you get these bars, and you get this red line. Okay, if you're using MetaTrader, this is what you're gonna get. Depending on what platform you're using, you might get something different. Okay, applications are the same though. Okay, so basically what it is these bars is a faster moving average, and the red line is a slower moving average. Okay, so what we do is whenever these lines cross, or lines the red line is below the black line, the black lines are below the red lines, we basically know that there's momentum. Okay, this is a momentum indicator. Okay, it lags a little bit. Yes, all indicators do lag, but if you catch momentum, you can get some fairly good trades. Okay, so for example, as you can see down here, the red line goes underneath the black bars. Okay, with very good spacing. Okay, spacing is very important. Okay, and as you can see, if you had took the trade once the space got pretty big, okay, you would have took a trade about right here, halfway in between the candle. Okay, and as you can see, at most you would have made 100 pips, about 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips at maximum. Okay, so we know how to enter. Okay, whenever the spacing is pretty big and the lines have crossed. Okay, as you can see here, the black lines go underneath the red line, so that means a short play. Okay, and the spacing is pretty big, so as you can see, you have a huge momentum, huge move downwards. Okay, so that's our entry. Okay, how do we know when to exit? Okay, so let's just say you have this long play over here. Okay, the black lines are above the red line. Okay, the exit is when the black lines go back underneath the red line. Okay, over here, about right there. Okay, so you would have made about 45-ish pips if you let the whole thing play out until the red line crossed over again. Not bad. 45 pips on one lot can get you $450, which is not bad. And then you can use MACD as a sole indicator. Okay, but we don't recommend it. We want you to use other indicators as well to confirm some trades. Okay, so let's go over to NZD/USD. Again, we're on our 4-hour chart. Let's add our MACD. Once you add it once, it goes to your quick list. You just add it again. Okay, and as you can see again, whenever we had a gap, okay, we had a good trade. We had a good entry and a good exit. Okay, another good entry right here, another good exit right there. Okay, now we want to talk about. We talked about the good part of the MACD. Let's talk about the bad part. Okay, sometimes the MACD is gonna lag. Okay, so you're gonna get into entries fairly late. Okay, it's given. It's a moving average. Two moving averages. So it's gonna lag a little bit. And if you make it faster, your confirmations might not be as solid. But if you keep it too slow, then you might be too late to the party. Okay. Another thing about MACD is that you can get faked out. Okay, like right here. Okay, you could have been expecting this black line to cross over, but nope, the market got you. The market got you there. It came very close to the red line and then pulled back. Okay, you want to be aware of these type of things. Okay, they can fake you out. Okay, the MACD can fake you out. That's why we stress it that you also use other types of indicators, other types of analysis to support your position. Okay. Other than that, that's it to MACD. If you use it with other indicators such as RSI, chart patterns, trendline analysis, Fibonacci, MACD can prove to be a fairly good indicator. Other than that, see you next time.